everyone, welcome to Sara'sPetal. So today we are going to be make daisy granny square. You can make a bunch of this, make it a blanket, bag, you can make it any size you want. So let's get started. I'm going to be using 2.5 mm hook. Now grab your yarn, make a slip knot and pull it on your hook. We are going to grab this working yarn, pull it slightly to adjust the size. Now wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. First we are going to chain 4. To make chain 4, we have to yarn over and pull through the loop on our hook. You can see a little V here. This is our first chain. Now keep doing this until we got chain 4. Insert your hook in the first chain. Yarn over and pull it through the loop on our hook. It's called a slip knot. Now we got a little circle here. Let's make chain 3. For chain 3, we are going to repeat the same process we did in chain 4. Yarn over and pull it through the loop on our hook. Now we are ready to make our first stitch. So the stitch that we are going to be doing is double crochet. So to do a double crochet, we are going to yarn over first. Now insert the hook in this circle, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we got 3 loops in our hook. Now again yarn over. Now pull through first 2 loops on our hook. We got 2 loops on our hook now. Again yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. So now let's continue. Yarn over, insert the hook in this circle, knot in the chain, okay? Grab the yarn, pull a loop. We got 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull it through the rest of the 2 loops. We got 2 double crochet now. Follow the same step, make 12 double crochet in this circle. So we have completed. Pull the yarn tightly. Cut the yarn and hide it. Now we will make petals for our flower. For that we are going to join white yarn. So insert your hook under the chain, hold the white yarn back of the yellow circle. Yarn over and pull a loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop on our hook. Now we got a little V here. So we have to make chain 4 here. Now yarn over and pull through the loop on our hook. Again yarn over and pull through the loop on our hook. You can count this little V. 1 V represents 1 chain. Next stitch is treble crochet. So yarn over twice. Insert your hook in the same chain we have joined our yarn. Grab the yarn, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull it through the next 2 loops. Now we got 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over twice. Insert the hook in the same chain. Pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. We got 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over again and pull it through all the 3 loops in the hook. Chain 2. This is our first petal of the flower. From the next petal we are going to make 3 treble crochet for each chain. In total we will make 12 petals. Let's repeat the process. Yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Repeat the process. We got 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over again and pull it through all the 3 loops. Now join with a slip knot. Our daisy flower is ready. Now let's make it a granny square. I have joined the pink yarn like as I did joining the white yarn, and I've made chain 4. We are going to make 2 treble crochet in the same hole. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same hole, pull it through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops, again yarn over and pull it through the rest of the 2 loops. Repeat the same process. This will be our first corner for the granny square. So we are going to make another treble crochet. Now chain 2, again yarn over twice, pull a loop and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull to the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2 loops. This is our another treble crochet. Now let's repeat until we got 3 treble crochet, and we are making all the treble crochet in the same hole. Okay, this is our first corner. Let's move on to the next hole. Insert your hook in this hole and pull a loop, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now let's repeat until we got 3 treble crochet here. Let's move on to the next hole and do the same. Now we are going to make our next corner. Create 3 treble crochet and then chain 2. And then again 3 treble crochet. It will make our second corner. We have completed making the second corner. Follow the same process and complete all the corners. So okay, we have completed 3 sides. Now let's make our 4th corner. I've made 3 treble crochet in this hole, then chain 2. Now let's create 3 more treble crochet in the same hole for the corner. have 2 more holes, so yarn over twice, insert your hook to the next hole, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2 loops. Now let's continue doing treble crochet. This is our last treble crochet. For joining this, we have to make a slip knot. Insert your hook under the chain 4. Cut the yarn and hide it in the back side of the granny square. We have completed a beautiful daisy granny square. It's very easy and beginner friendly. So this is the finished daisy granny square. I hope this tutorial helped you to crochet with confidence. If you enjoyed learning with me, please like and subscribe to Sara'sPetal for more easy crochet tutorial. Your support means so much and help this channel grow. Thank you for spending your time with me. Happy stitching and see you in the next video.